Transferring Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone involves a few steps to ensure that your accounts remain secure. So, start by installing the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new device from the App Store or Google Play Store. On your old phone, open the Authenticator app and make sure your accounts are backed with iCloud. They're backed up. So this is gonna, this backup is gonna ensure that you can restore your accounts to the new device. To enable backup, you got to go to the app settings, find the backup option, and then turn it on if it's not already enabled. You're going to need to sign in your Microsoft account to enable the cloud backup. So once your accounts are backed up, move to your new phone and open the Authenticator app. Sign in with the same Microsoft account that you used on your old phone. When you sign in now, the app is going to prompt you to restore your accounts from a backup. So follow the instructions to complete the process. For accounts that are not linked to a Microsoft account, you will need to manually reconfigure each service. Visiting each service's security settings and scanning a new QR code link the account to the new account. Finally, test the test. Attempt one of the accounts, confirming everything is okay and correctly. I'm going to say that last part again. No, I'm not.